we'll guide you through how to enable Dropbox encryption to keep your files secure. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find the Security tab and click on it. Here, you'll see various security options. Look for the two-step verification section. While this isn't encryption per se, it's crucial for securing your account. Enable it by clicking the Enable button and follow the prompts to set it up using your preferred method, such as text message or an authenticator app. Now, for encryption specifically, Dropbox encrypts your files in transit and at rest. But for additional security, you can use a third-party encryption service. One popular option is Boxcryptor, which integrates seamlessly with Dropbox. Go to boxcryptor.com and download the app, then create an account. After setting up Boxcryptor, it will create a virtual drive on your computer. Move or copy the files you want to encrypt into this drive. Boxcryptor will automatically handle the encryption process before uploading the files to Dropbox. This way, your files are protected with an extra layer of encryption, ensuring only you and those you authorize can access them. Remember, while Dropbox itself offers robust security, third-party encryption tools like Boxcryptor provide you with even more control over your data's privacy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.